guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Zinzi and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today we are cash stuffing $102. We don't have a lot, but that's okay. That's what we're working with. You gotta work with what you got. Happy Thursday, you guys. So this is my rent slash bill binder. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you haven't already, guys. And yeah, let's see what we got, you guys. So Alabama Power, I'm gonna add a 5 on this one. We're still not done with this one. We have not completed this one. Eric's Bed, it is done. Gas, we're gonna add another 5 on gas. So let me just get it out instead of dealing with this. Okay, so there's a 5 on that. Okay, insurance is going to get $10. Why not? Let's add $10 to insurance. Awesome. It makes me sad when I don't have a lot of money because I get worried that I'm not going to complete my stuff, but you know, you never know. Internet, we did complete this one, and then rent is going to get the last 20s, which is $40, you guys. It's not a lot, but now we have 250 and 90, so 290. So 290, and we need 500 for that, which is so sad. This week has been so slow, you guys, like super slow at work, and also because I'm going in the afternoon, I'm not going in the morning, so that has a lot to do. And we have one more server, which we needed another server, but the thing what messes me up is that I go in the afternoon now, most of the days, so that's where it gets me. I need to work all day every day to get a decent amount of money. But anyways, all right, so those two are my priorities. I did add a new scratch off, which is from Becca Budget 777. I think I got this in a Happy Meal. Someone sent me this, but let me show you real quick. I have added 2 paper clips. I don't know if you can see it. So the bluish gray one, which is this one right here, is going to be for my car maintenance, and then this one right here is going to be for summers, which is not really summer, it's for vacation. So this one's for vacation. So yeah, but anyways, let's complete the Stitch, Lilo and Stitch one. I don't know why I always call this Moana. That day that I was going to watch that movie here at home, it just stuck with me, and I said Moana, and I don't know, so y'all bear with me. But this is Lilo and Stitch. We're gonna complete both of them. We need $22, and those $22, you guys, are gonna go towards my payment that I need for my dermatologist that I needed to pay myself back, or more like the credit card. So I need 10, 20, 21, and 22. So 22. Let me see how much is that. I need $100, but I know this is not $100. So we got, let's see. Oh goodness. Okay. Yes. Okay. It should be $85. So we got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so $85. So I'm gonna get this out and pay myself back on that $85. So yay, awesome. We don't have a lot to stuff today, guys, which is so sad. Makes me sad. All right, so let's add $2 to my car maintenance. So $2 for that. It's not a lot, but it adds up. Oops, I should have taken off that clip. It will add up eventually. And yeah, okay, there's that. This is for my eyes and my eye exam slash glasses. So $2 added to that. Okay. This is for my $1,000 emergency fund, which is $2 as well. Not a lot, but that's okay. And then last but not least, it's gonna be this last one, which is for my vacation. We're gonna add $2 on that. And yeah. Okay, awesome sauce. I love it. It's so cute. Obsessed with her clip. Oh, look, let me show you my new clip. Look at my new clip. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Y'all see it? It's so adorable. It's a little bumblebee with the sunflower. The other one that I had, if y'all remember, was a butterfly. I broke it. Accidental. But it is what it is. Anyways, okay. Next, let me do the Hello Kitty one here, because I just have to do one. Okay, let's see. How much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, okay, let's do a 5, you guys. We're almost done with this one. This one is for $85, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. If it's not 85, it's 80, but it's in the 80s. I think it's 80. So $5 going in here. We need 6 more and we are almost done. Yay. That makes me happy. Okay. Put this bad boy up. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I still have not done my envelopes for my binder here. I mean, it's still Easter, but still, we need to do that, and I just haven't had time. I really have not had time, you guys. All right, Dylan is gonna get $2. So Dylan is my youngest, and Eric is my oldest, $2 as well. Okay. And Alex is my husband. He's gonna get $3. Okay, well, there you have it, you guys. All right, now let me do the giveaway. I totally forgot about one giveaway the other day, yesterday, but okay. So here is the winner chicken dinner. Are you guys ready? All right, I forgot to do the trackers. So if you want to enter into the trackers, I forgot to do the trackers that they did not claim. Okay, so if you want to enter to the trackers, just comment trackers, a sentence with trackers. All right, here is the winner chicken dinner for the Starbucks gift card. $15. Congratulations. Message me on Instagram, and yeah, we'll get that shipped out to you. Congrats to that. Okay, next it was this right here. Hold on. For Snoopy, congratulations for the Snoopy. You are the winner chicken dinner. Message me on Instagram to ship that goodie. And last but not least was for the summer one. Congratulations as well. Message me on Instagram. So yeah, so there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Your time is precious. You know that. I'll see you guys again tomorrow for Freebie Friday. I'm excited. So yeah, so thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.